in the control panel are inspector related numbers. These are numbers that affect what we're charging our clients. And it is here in the base direct labor rate where I will place my hourly wage. As a single inspection company, and I'm the principal inspector making $110,000, as we saw here on the labor rate mark, I am going to place $61.11. That $61.11 is not entirely accurate. While that is my equivalent per hour at $110,000, $110,000 does not actually represent 100% of my salaried base. I also have certain benefits and taxes, whether that's my insurance or whether that's my whether that's my tax burden. I can put a percentage here. In our particular case, I am going to use 30% as my number. I can change this to whatever I need to change this to be accurate to my condition. This is blue. This is an input number. At 30%, I'm representing $61.11 as actually $79.44. So now my blended direct labor rate, this is what I'm charging my clients per hour, is $79.44. Now, the rest of the sections in the control panel start to deal with inspection efficiency as well as reporting time ratios. And you will go through and populate these numbers. How fast can you move through a multifamily? How big is your warehouse? How fast can you go through office, mixed use, etc.? And I'm going to place numbers in each of these categories. And I'll do the same for reporting, because in reporting, I might have different reporting times per each building. An office building takes me longer to write a report than, let's say, a warehouse would. Maybe multifamily takes me longer to write a report than, let's say, something else does. And then I will add in what is my per mile standard mileage IRS relationship. If I'm charging my clients for the drive, this is a number that I'm going to use. Not all jobs will you charge your clients for drive. Some jobs you will. But again, this is a data input point for us to include when we're doing our final calculations. Our next becomes the sales budget.